Let's take a few quiet seconds to watch and listen to the wildfowl on my local pond. The scene is full of things filling our senses: the sight of the swans and geese, the sound of the ducks, the colour and depth of the pond. As humans, we try and understand the world around us all of the time by processing the various forms of data arriving at our senses into information which we use to make decisions, like seeing where the edge of the pond is and not stepping in it. Computers, however, need to be programmed by us in order to make decisions and to produce information which is useful to us. We do this by providing them with data and a set of instructions telling them how to process that data. In this course, I'm going to show you how to program the computer to carry out a task that you might have previously done manually. We'll go slowly, step by step, covering the basics from which you'll then be able to learn more. Let's go back to the pond and focus on the ducks. Let's say that I'm interested in how the population of ducks in this pond changes over the autumn months. To do this, I decide to find out how many ducks there are, on average, between September and the end of November. I'll come to the pond at the same time each day, video the same part of the pond for the same amount of time, and record some data about what I see when I play back the video. I'll record the data on paper first, and then computerize it. Here's my sheet that I'm going to use to collect data about the ducks. It's a big table where I can write things down, and as you can see, I've got a column for the date I was at the pond, and there's a duck count column, one for each of the species of duck we get around here. So on the 1st of September, I counted 7 eider, 5 gadwalls, 17 goldeneye, 4 goosander, and so on. Finally, there's a column for the total ducks for that day, which is just the other columns added together. And my sheet has enough rows to record 3 months worth of data. That's 91 rows in total. And at the bottom of the sheet there's a space for the average that I've calculated for each month. At the end of November, I'll have 3 averages of data, one for each month. For my little survey, a paper-based approach is fine, but if I wanted to get more people involved so that more locations were covered, then I'd probably want to computerize the recording and analysis of the data. So we'll do just that and learn a bit about computer programming along the way.